Hello. Mild is the theme over the next couple of days. Certainly overnight it's going to stay mild in many areas, although not everywhere. We will see clear spells in the east and the north, and that will lead to lower temperatures compared with the same time 24 hours previously. And that means that for northern Scotland, a touch of frost overnight as the winds ease, the showers disappear and the skies clear. Elsewhere, a cloud thickens once again towards the west. That will keep things a bit milder in the west, and that cloud will bring some spots of rain and drizzle into the southwest of England, West Wales and Northern Ireland first thing Thursday. It's arriving ahead of this warm front. Now, this warm front is a weak feature. The main impact it will have is to thicken up the cloud during Thursday, and it will bring some spots of rain, but I wouldn't be surprised if some locations across England and Wales miss the rain entirely and stay dry, although after a bright start in the east it does turn cloudy by lunchtime, and the rain will be more persistent over the Pennines, and increasingly by the end of the afternoon some heavy and persistent rain affecting western and central Scotland as well as Northern Ireland. Whereas that rain moves in, it will also be accompanied by strengthening winds, and so with that wind coming from the southwest, it's going to be mild once again on Thursday, 12 to 13 in the south, 9 to 11 in the north. Just the far northeast of Scotland seeing temperatures at around average for the time of year, 5 to 6 Celsius here, and generally bright until the end of the afternoon when that cloud will roll in. Now, this wet weather approaching Northern Ireland and western Scotland during the afternoon will push across the rest of the UK during the hours of darkness. It's a cold front, it's much more active than its warm front cousin, and it will move across the UK during the early hours of Friday generally, clearing by dawn to clearer spells, but it turns increasingly windy behind it for Scotland, with gales or severe gales for exposed parts of the west and northwest, with 60 or even 70 mile per hour wind gusts for Lewis and Harris. Now, that wind will be accompanied by heavy showers, especially for the northwest of Scotland. 1 or 2 showers elsewhere, but mostly it's clear spells, and temperatures are a little lower on Friday morning compared with Thursday morning, especially in the west. But it's a bright start for much of England, Wales, Northern Ireland, southern Scotland. The wind eases in the north, and for most, Friday is an interlude between weather systems. A lot of dry and bright weather out there. Not entirely dry and bright. There will be some showers in the north and the west. And there'll be a lot of cloud about as well, I think, increasingly so by the end of the afternoon. But you can see, for many, it's looking like through Friday at least, there are a few hours of drier, brighter and less windy weather to contend with. 12 Celsius in the south, 8 to 10 further north. A touch less mild compared with Thursday, although not much in it. And then this feature starts to arrive for Friday night. So wet and windy nights to come on Friday night. The rain clearing the east the first thing Saturday, clearing by lunchtime, replaced by blustery showers this weekend. So it's all about the showers this weekend, some heavy downpours, temperatures trending back to average. And then into next week, well, you can find more details on that on our YouTube channel with the 10-day trend.